a sunny day like this in Fairfax, Virginia, you might not expect a flash flood to occur, but if it does, you don't know what could happen.
Okay, bye, Dad.
Okay, bye. Be careful if it rains.
Okay.
Guys, how's it going?
I'm good, man. Whoa, that weather looks like it's turning bad.
I think it's a cloudburst.
Nah, it doesn't look too bad.
Yeah, this manly car can take it.
Dude, let's turn around. This is dangerous weather.
Okay, man.
Watch out!
This didn't have to happen. Flash floods are the #1 weather-related killer in the U.S., and over half of these fatalities are automobile-related.
Due to a car's heavy weight, its buoyancy will carry it downstream and eventually make it flip over.
Don't attempt to drive in water because you may not know the depth of the water. Even 2 feet of water can move an automobile.
Don't drive